President. To be honest, I was almost impressed by the sponsorship speech. Almost because it sounded like an opening statement for the Council for the Defense of President Duterte. At any rate, the bottom line of the committee report is wala raw ebidensya. Ngayon, ito yung malaking problema because the whole world naaalarma na sa nangyayari sa ating bansa, pero dito sa komite na sana siya ang instrumento na maglabas ng katotohanan ay naudlot dahil abruptly hininto ang proceedings.